So anyway, we're here at the 7-Eleven, Mackenzie, 20 past 4, bit early. I hope we're at the right spot. This is where the GPS has taken us anyway. So yeah, just letting the cars cool down a bit. And the daughter and my mate and his daughter's going in there to buy some refreshments and snacks, and that's where I'm fucking heading real soon, because I'm bloody hungry.
Waiting at the lights.
do a quick walk around where we got a bit more light, and we'll have a look at some of these cars. BMW, Ford, Rotor. I've got a video of that coming in. Sorry about the lighting. Rotary in that thing. Oh, Jemmy. A few cars here, eh? I've never been to the car show on this end of Brizzy. It looks like it. LS supercharged. Yep. Honda. I'm not going to get all the cars because I don't have much memory left on my phone, but yeah, pretty good turnout, eh? Nice night, it's not raining. Beauty. I didn't think there was going to be that many cars here. Oh, here we go. I thought it was just like Rotor guys, eh? But yeah, cool. Yeah, I'm going to chat with a few more people, and then I think it's a time 25 to 7. I'll probably make a move soon. That was a nice ride home. Alrighty, that's it guys. See you on the next one. Hey guys. Thanks for joining in. I want to say special thanks to all the boys for showing up, and Wayne from SEQ Rotors for organising the pre-meet cruise. I didn't actually know what was going on until we got there, so I was pretty surprised, but I should have read the message a little bit better. So what we did, we cruised from 7-Eleven at Mackenzie to the Bayside Car Club meet, which was near Cleveland, and yeah, ended up being a pretty good night. So I ended up leaving probably around 7:40, 8 o'clock, something like that. Cruised back. I went with the daughter, and I have to say there was a fair few rotors at the meet, so it was pretty good. Anyway, thanks heaps to Wayno once again, and for everyone else for showing up. It was good to catch up. I'm no longer on Facebook or Instagram or any other form of social media. The only thing I'm doing now is YouTube. So if anyone wants to get into contact with me, either via YouTube or if you've got my number, give us a call, send us an email, and we'll go from there. Yeah, so I've got another big sort of day planned for tomorrow. That'll be the next video. So stay tuned. And keep on prepping, and I will catch you pretty soon. Have a good one, guys. Bye.